5:30 on the first day, and it's a garden. I'm in a hole here. That's the garden. People, I think we going to be under a bit of pressure. See that spade going down. The angst and the anxiety is working. Everybody's just over here waiting. See all that soil there? That's got to be moved. Which mug's going to be doing that? This one. Turf has just arrived over here at the minute. Tim's on that. The one thing about Love Your Garden, as you walk down the street, you see these beautiful trees, and you think to yourself, hold up a minute, they're in pots, big pots. They're not street trees, they're going in that garden, and someone has got to carry them. We're here and Love Your Garden, just put all these big trees in, absolutely soaked through, and we've still got more to do. It's 7:10, and there's a lot to do in the garden. The area is a massive building site. Look at the floor here. Morning all. We have got so much to do. By the end of today, there's going to be a bit of pressure. The reveal is at 5 o'clock. That's our tea there, right? But apparently, whose are these for? Yorkshire decaf.
It's for Katie.
Has she got her own tea?
She's got her own tea, her own personal tea.
Yeah, and who gets that? Yeah, no, who bought it then?
We buy it.
So Katie has her own tea?
Yeah. What do you want? What would you like, David? What tea would you like?
Have you got any PG Tips triangle bags?
I will get some. Just for you, we're right on the side.
Got me own tea. I've made it. The thing about when you're filming Love Your Garden, there's plants everywhere. I'm in the street, for goodness sake. Look at this. Plants all the way down. The whole street is just packed with plants everywhere. I'm doing it in the video. Say something interesting.
Doing a video. Did you say something interesting? I can't.
Say something. Get out of it.
Is it warm in there?
That's actually locked now. Do me a cheesy. I'm just in the garden. It's absolutely pouring down. I've just knelt in a puddle, and it's getting a bit difficult. That's why we've called in Obi-Wan Kenobi to help us with the with the final areas
Cheers for that, David.
of the deck. May the force be with us. All sorts of chaos here. Find a little garden, get it to space. Sorry, Matt. There's people everywhere. Oh, the head. The thing is sometimes that it's just so many people in the garden, so many different activities going on, and bear in mind we've only got a matter of a day or two to get it all finished. Have we bitten off more than we can chew on this one? It's massive. The time is now 8:30. We're still here. We haven't done the reveal. In fact, just behind me there, as you can see, all of these people are waiting to get into the garden to take a look. So I reckon it'll probably still be going on for about another hour or something like that. Ooh, everyone's looking at me. I better dive. One last look.